I2UT. I2UT formed in 2022. It is also known as the Western Asian Quad, and it is emerged from the Abraham Accords, and it is earlier known as the Initial Economic Forum. Now it is evolved as a strategic unilateral grouping. In this, the countries are participating as India, Israel, UAE, and US. Our focus area is economic cooperation, technological infrastructure, food security, clean energy, space, and maritime space. And objectives are food security. Food security, India providing the implementation role in which India has the skilled labor, which is helping in this food security, clean energy, and infrastructure development for the betterment of INEC and development, and technological cooperation, which is provided by USA countries, and Israel. Maritime security and investment promotion, UAE was the largest investment in India's perspective. Important for the strategic and economic benefits. Strategic in significance strengthens the India's presence in the West Asia country, and dependency has been deepened the relations with the USA, UAE, and Israel countries. Supports the West Act India's Act West policies. Economic benefits are investment, infrastructure models, trade and supply chains. Technological corporations, agri-tech, AI, startups, and space. In the space, India and USA were doing good too, and UAE was for the startup, and AI for the USA and India, and agricultural tech for Israel. Energy security has to diversify the energy sources, supports the clean energy transition. Major joint venture projects are food security. Here, the integrated food park in the India. UAE is the investment. Israel as an agriculture tech, and USA supports, and India is implementation. Renewable energy projects are 300 megawatt wind and solar capacity are renewable in Gujarat. India's diaspora supports the Gulf countries' tech cooperation, protects the diaspora interest from the Gulf countries according to India, strengthens the Israel's diplomacy in context of defense and agriculture, boosts the workforce opportunity. It creates the opportunity for the employment in India, expanding the economic role and promotes the skill innovations. The major challenges facing by the I2U2 is the internal and external challenge. The internal challenges are India and Iran's relation. India's and Iran's ties are negative, while the deepening the relations with the Israel and UAE. Saudis and Iran rivalry, regional tension and affected the I2U2 stability. Arab-Israel issues. Palestine questions the periodic conflict creates the instability. And these are the internal factors which is internally disturbing this I2U2, and external factors are also there, which is the China growing influence, PRI project, and strategic investment in the West Asia. Regional geopolitical stability, conflict in Gaza, Red Sea, Biden, and West Asia. Let's